You're representing us here. Well, put your hands together, Tracy. Drink water. What do you want? Who drinking water? Who drinking water? On the line.
I know what people want. I'm looking for house and land.
Who, me?
I know what people think. I's a queen.
We have we on.
Some of them let's stop the bus.
Last year, Mr. Ravi Maharaj as well. We are all here.
I go
Drink water. Caribbean Airlines.
Drink water and mind my business. I go
Drink water and
mind my business. Drink water and mind my business.
drinking water. Wait, quick.
Me and them can't be friends. I fight the battle and Jah give me help and strength. No, it's we. That can't be English, that has to be French. Some of them just stop the bus, like they know it all. But if the ground water slip and a fall, it's them so I go.
Drink water and
mind my business.
mind your funky business.
Drink water and mind my business.
Mind your funky business.
Drink water and mind my business.
Mind your funky business.
Drink water and mind my business. Me and you are no beef. I is the police and you is the thief. The people you think is your friend, them only there cause you have money to spend. And some of them just stop the bus, like they know it all. But when you hear what I can't see your way, who you best cut?
Check your vendor.
Drink water and mind my business.
Drink your coconut water.
Mind my business.
Fat boy.
I go.
Drink water and mind my business.
Drink water and mind my business.
Yeah. Who have water in their hands? Say yeah. Watch it over there, get the way. When the chili come in their fetters, then we definitely know it's not water they're drinking. Alright, we get them, keep that fun. Don't forget we're back again tomorrow. It's going to be a great show. And of course, you heard Tracy say this is going to be an annual thing we're trying to push. So once again, our Caribbean people, the city was nice to give us this space. And we enjoyed ourselves, enjoy the company, stress-free, all kind of fight-free, all kind of thing. We're here to enjoy we people. A lot of music, a lot of artists, dancers, you know. We see the talent here in Toronto. So right now I'm going to bring on our next talent. She's traveled all over the world, singing Kaiso, Calypso, soca music, winning awards all over. And of course, Soca Monarch here in Toronto. Put your hands together and welcome the lovely Makome Fifi.
Look at people! Look my family them! Look you resemble my Aunt Lolly, you resemble my Aunt Anto, you resemble my Aunt Olga. Wait! You resemble my ex-husband. Oh, you're looking good. Happy 60th anniversary, Trinbagonian people. Let me hear all you. Everybody who are proud Trinbagonians, put your hands in the air. Raise your flag, raise your rag, raise your glass. Tenor, we even have Babash in the crowd. We have people from Maruga in the crowd. Miriam and all right here. Nice to see all you. Here now, as proud Trinbagonians, I am here to take you back. It's 60 years. And this song, I guess, was written 60 years ago. Wow. And I want you all to sing it with me. I have the lyrics, so you all sing it. No music. I just want to hear the voices of my proud Trinbagonian people and our friends, because I'm sure there are other people represented here who just can't do without Trinbagonian people. And so they're here. Nice. Tobago in the house. All you know I was born in Tobago. I tell all you, and Tobago is in the house down there. There's a booth full of Tobagonians. Me love all of them. All of them are my family. Hey Miriam, where I gone? You're supposed to say me dede. When anybody asks you how you doing, what's going on, you just say me dede. That's the way Tobagonians do it. Portrait of Trinidad. All who know that song, put your hands in the air. I will tell you the lyrics and you singing it. Trinidad is my land. Ta-ta, but I can't understand why some does talk it back. All of them, ba-da-da-dam. They will, everybody right things they would never. Nice by our sportsmen, being rated among the best. Our scholars have sat and passed every test. Let me hear you. That's right to the test. Yeah, now Pitch Lake we jump in is the greatest one of its kind. Our is really refined. So you see it really waiting for a man's mind. I like this book. So all of them were talking. They either drunk, they drink with babash, bam, maybe they're forgetting. Makome Fifi belongs to Trinidad. Are you finished? Alright, but it's nice to be nostalgic at this time. You know, we take you back a little. This is a song that was created for one of the greatest icons of Trinidad and Tobago, the mighty Sparrow. A few weeks ago, we celebrated his birthday. And he is one of Trinidad and Tobago's gifts to the world. From the time we became independent, Trinidad and Tobago is in the business of giving gifts to the world. We have given the world calypso. We have given the world mass. We have given the world pan. And that is why we can raise our heads. We have given the world's colors. Are you hearing me? Oh gosh, we have given the world Paisley Crawford. And just a couple days ago, I found out that David Cook has passed. But could you imagine David Cook in the morning? We gave David Cook to the world as well. So we are proud of our gifts to the world. Sparrow is one of our gifts to the world, because wherever I go, in all my travels, people would ask me about Sparrow. They forget I sing in my own songs and ask me to sing. So I've done a tribute to Sparrow. This one is dedicated to the one and only Calypso King of the world. I want to do something for one of my heroes, and I'm doing it today, not tomorrow. So he could listen it and nod his head, not after he's dead. I want to remind the world he's truly great, and I don't want to wait till it's too late. I'm paying homage to the one Dr. Sparrow, the true king of Calypso. Why must this man pass on to become main attraction? Why should we wait till he's gone to declare pandemonium? When your days are done, everyone will run and write composition. But I want you to hear this one, so I'm doing it before you Margaret. Before you're gone, mighty Sparrow. Before you're gone, I tell the one when I heard your songs makes me want to sing calypso. Before you're gone, buddy, before you're gone to eternity, Sparrow, before you go, if you wanted to know that your name would always live on. With classics like Sheila and Dinah, Lizette, Marachin and Natasha, Mr. Benwood, Dick Saltfish, so sweet like a bag of sugar down there. Before you're gone, doctor, to the great beyond with your maker. When I sing this song, boy, I want you around, so I'm doing it before you're gone. Margaret James, I see you. That's the wife of Ellsworth James, one of our icons, Calypso music icons. Above the upper echelons of Calypso, you'll be sure to see this singer Francisco. The days Calypso was at its best, Sparrow led the rest. Every story, every trend, every topic, any matter to attend, Sparrow sang it. Social, political, sex, span or jam, but he was in mind. In 56, he shared licks when he jammed Gina and Dinah. The Yankees exit, a big hit, so the birdie took over. Then it was May, Friday, on a beach in Saxton Bay. Don't know how she was raised up, but she begged the Sparrow to stop. Before you're gone, mighty Sparrow, before you're gone, I'm begging you. Tell me what went on with them two white women and that monster in the Congo. Before you're gone, buddy, before you're gone to eternity, Sparrow, before you go, I still want to know who mashed up the Federation. With classics like Dead or Alive, Margarita, all is mine. Was both of them in the big bamboo while Sparrow want that she had. Before you gone, doctor, to the great beyond with your maker. When I drop this song, boy, I want you around, so I'm doing it before you gone. Hey! Put your hands together for my little granddaughter who wants to be on stage. So much more than a calypso singer, the man is such a polarizing figure. Back in the times of PNM heydays, Sparrow had his ways.